Hello everyone, let's get started and solve question number 15. Question number 15 says a granite rod of 60 centimeter length is clamped at its middle point and is set into longitudinal vibrations. The density of granite is 2.7 into 10 cube kg per meter square and its Young modulus is 9.27 into 10 raised to the 10 pascals. What will be the fundamental frequency of the longitudinal vibrations? So we'll mark the important values here. That is the length of the rod, density of the granite, right, and the Young's modulus. We have only three values given to us, that is L, rho, and Y. Now we'll use two equations, that is one for the speed and one for lambda, that is the wavelength. We know that frequency nu is equal to speed by wavelength, right? We don't have this value of speed and we don't have the value of lambda. So using these two equations and substituting them in the given equation written right here, we find the following relation between frequency and Young's modulus, rho, and length, right? So now all that is left is to put in values and solve the question. When we put in these values marked in the question, the answer we get is 4.8 kilohertz. That is approximated to 5 kilohertz, as the nearest option given in the question is 5 kilohertz. So the correct option is C.